Here we go again. Load shedding is back again. It has become obvious now that load shedding is a money grab exercise. Whether we like it or not, there are people that are making a lot of money from load shedding. And the government officials are involved in this bigger scheme that is going on at Eskom. The government is involved. The private sector is involved. Load shedding is something that is being done on purpose. It can't be that we are told that there is a breakdown, something happened, something broke, load shedding is back, unfortunately. And then the next thing, no, load shedding is over, we have finished load shedding. And then 2 weeks back, or a month, and then a month later, oh, unfortunately, the load shedding is back. If we can look at last year, before the elections, or at the beginning of last year, they ended load shedding because they were seeing clearly that they were going to do badly in the elections, and they were trying to use the stopping of load shedding as one of their campaigning tools. But unfortunately, it was too late for them. After the elections, they brought back load shedding. And then the minister went on TV and he was bragging about how he had finished load shedding. And it even reached 100 days without load shedding. But now load shedding is back. So it is clear that load shedding is a money grab exercise. Eskom is not willing to build new infrastructure or to properly maintain the infrastructure that they have. Whether we like it or not, Eskom is being used by the powerful for them to grab money at will, while we, the ordinary people, suffer at the bottom. Businesses close down. People lose their groceries because fridges go off for many hours. Sometimes when the electricity returns, many of the appliances are no longer working. So we are in trouble. Load shedding is back.